Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, NIO. This stock. Oh my God. Look at this. Okay, this is the daily chart of NIO. Now, let me just let everybody know I had NIO before in the past, probably around here. Okay, before the pandemic, I had it around. I was probably like around $3 a share. I had 20,000 shares, something like that. And because I knew it would run up. Okay, it did, but I didn't have it all the way into the run up, so I'm a little salty. I'm a little spicy about this. So now everybody's excited now. Yesterday, April Fool's. So is this an April Fool's joke? Because they said this one day ago, guys. One day ago. Okay, so NIO stock is up. It jumped 14%. Okay, great. Year over year with not the stock, but the deliveries, okay? The deliveries jumped. Great. Well, it took everybody long enough to pull that off. Okay, so everybody's excited. Oh, it's rising, okay, because of the post-delivery data came through. The company delivered, okay, this many. Okay, great. You finally did something. I'm telling you, I'm a little bit bitter. Write in the comments below if you're a little salty too from NIO. Because if you had it before, you're familiar with how this runs. If you had it in the middle, of this run up and you got a good piece, write in the comments below. But I didn't have it all the way in the run up. Okay, everybody was dogging the position. They were like, oh, why are you in that? And oh, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, guys, how do you not see what's going to happen? This baby's going to run. And then, the pandemic happening. And, then I'm like, oh, how is the pandemic going to affect everything? And look, during 2020, didn't it go? But I wanted to be a little safer. Okay, so anyway, back to what I was talking about. I'm salty from the past, but the company did deliver 11,866 vehicles during the month. Okay, great. Okay, then it's also saying it delivered this amount of EVs in the first quarter. Great. But how do I feel overall? Let's look at tip rates. Okay, so over here on this side, the right side, what is the overall score? It's a 4. It's not a 10, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, it's not a 10, it's a 4. Okay? So let's not, if you're bag holding, a 4 is better than a 1. Yes, I get it. But it's still not a 10 and it's not a 7 or anything like that. Okay? Yes, some people are saying, oh, there's an upside here. So let's look a little into this. What an analyst is saying. Oh, moderate buy, 16 ratings. Okay, so 7 is saying buy. 8 is saying hold, 1 is saying sell. But you know what? I do not listen to this because sometimes when you look, like, who are these people? Who are they? And are they being bought and sold every other day to say that? I don't care what the heck that's saying, right? But let's look here at the technicals, okay? Let's look at the overall consensus here, okay? So this first one here, if you can see my cursor towards the left. Overall, people feeling a strong sell here, a strong sell. Yeah, well, I can dig it. This is where they were feeling it, okay? Strong sell, all right? Okay, fine. Over here, technicals, okay? Strong buy. So why am I saying strong buy? And why am I even talking about this? Okay, let me tell you. This is why. It's always something. Let's just go right here. Because the fact that, okay, NIO went up in the past. Yeah, I missed it. Okay, I'm salty. Came down. But we're here. We're kind of like back to where it was before. So everybody's wondering, is it going to bounce here? So we're at this $4.54 level. Will it bounce here and go back up? Yeah, because, do you want to buy it for another run up? Okay. Am I considering that? Are you considering that? Write that in the comments. I want to know. I want to know who's buying it. And if you buy it, you better make money. I'm not saying you got to share it, but you better make some money and you're going to tell me about it, okay? So, of course, I pulled it up, so I have to think, okay, should I play this again? But now the thing is, what I don't know is, will it really stop here at $4 or in here, or will it go down to this level? What's this level over here, Miss Moneymaker? Okay, this level down here is $1, people. $1.83. Will it go down that low? Okay. I'm not saying it will, but if it doesn't hit a support, and you see how many times this orange line, that's the 200, okay, the 200 simple moving average, okay? See how many times it tried to go through there? What happened? Boom, hit his head and fell back down hard, like it fell out of a plane. This is like a terrorist attack. It just dropped down. Plane's falling from the sky. Tried to come up again, hit his head right here on the moving average again, fell back down. Okay, this time here, okay, made it a little bit above, and it got fatigued, like exhaustion, like, like it's trying to jog, and it's like, okay, I can't make it. I give up, and then it fell back down again, and it's been under. So since, what is this, like 2021, we've been running under, so I'm already salty on it. We're running under, like, I don't know, since 2021. I don't know if I want to do that. And then, so speaking with the moving averages, see, strong sell with the moving averages. So how do I feel? I feel a little bit like, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. And we're having problems with the stocks out of China. So I don't know, but you can do it. I just want to make sure that I showed you what's going on. Okay, this chart, the time I get this right, forget it. Not even going there. Let's just go back to the 1 hour, because the 1 hour is crazy, which is the daily. That's crazy enough. Hold on, let me just move this in. All right, here we go. So how do you feel about it? This is where we're at. Now, if it was me, if I was doing this, I'm not saying that I'm gonna do it, I'm not saying yes or no. I cannot confirm nor deny, but ladies and gentlemen, what about we just wait at least, you see this, the little purple line, get above that moving average. Okay, let's do that, the 50. And then what about we break above this orange, okay, the 200. What about because we've done that in the past and we drop back down. So what about if we get above like this level right here, okay? So this level, $6. What about if we can get above that and try to hold it, and keep going? Let's have a little bit of miracle. Okay, so I would have to see something. But you're probably like, oh, I'll miss all that profit from here to there. If it happens, what about if it just keeps selling off? So I don't know. And that's the thing. There's easier things to trade, easier things to hold than this, toilet tissue looking case right here, right now. Now, yes, I did hold this stock before. And if you haven't, if you're holding it right now, you're like, gosh, she's dogging it out. Well, I told you, I'm salty. We all have feelings, and I'm a little butthurt from the past, okay? Just calling it. But, the trend was before, like, oh, just short it down. And now, all of a sudden, are we going to switch? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know. Hold on. Let me just, hold on. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Like I said, there's easier things to buy and hold, and bag holding all this time, so, and the thing is, okay, a lot of people are like, oh yeah, I should hold it because it can come back up now. What about if it doesn't? What about if it just does a little bump and then goes back, and then you have more shares, so I don't know. Write in the comments below, let me know, tell me how, if NIO is going to dominate the market, and and if you know why it's going to dominate the market all of a sudden over there in China, let me know. Shout out to your girl, because then I need to buy, okay? I don't know everything. I know a lot, but I don't know everything. All right, talk to you next time in the next video, okay? Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Next time. Bye.